of class second B in Vidyavardhi International School. We are celebrating August 15, Independence Day. Now I am telling about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad. His father's name is Motilal Nehru and mother's name is Swaruprani. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru studied in law in England. He loved children very much and children called him Chacha Nehru. He joined struggle for independence against the Britishers. Thank you.